Yeah, whoever had these carbs last, they stripped all these screws. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're gonna get into these bad boys.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
We're gonna take them apart, rebuild them, and then I'm also gonna rejet them. I'm gonna tune it perfectly and you'll know exactly what jets you'll need to rejet when you're running your own AirPods and own custom exhaust. So stay tuned. Cheers. Best way to get out strip screws, vice grips. One thing I've learned is always when you order new parts, compare them to your old parts to make sure they're the same. Okay, I got my new float valve in there. Pull this slow jet plug, this little rubber thing. Alright, so I'm starting with a 120 on my main jet, which is 5 sizes higher than normal. I'm starting to, I'd rather start rich than lean when I'm, you know, tinkering with my carbs. And then on my pilot jet, it's normally a 38. I'm putting in a 42. And then for my secondary jet, the OEM is a 72, I believe. So I'm gonna throw a 76 in there.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
Okay, so I got the carbs back on the bike with the pod filters. I forgot that I took off my headers and my exhaust, so I'm just gonna do a quick first start. Let's try that real quick. I'm pretty confident that the rejetting sizes that I did are going to work well. I did the first start, which you saw without the headers, and then idled and revved actually pretty decently. I won't know for sure until I actually have my exhaust in. Yeah, there's this website where it helps you calculate what jet size you're going to need based off of all these different factors, like what altitude you're at, if you're running stock airbox or pod filters, what your exhaust is, etc. And that's why I'm pretty confident that I have the right jet sizes, because I use that. So I'll post that in the description so you can have that as well. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be wrapping the exhaust headers and installing the new exhaust. So look out for that next week. All right, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if I can build a bike, you can build a bike. Cheers.